What's up, everybody? Today on TK Driven, we're going to go over the new Griot's Garage G13. What's going on, everyone? We've got the new random orbital polisher from Griot's Garage, their brand new G13. And the 13 is 13 millimeters of throw, so it's a random orbital polisher. I can't hardly ever say that. And that means that it's moving, not only is it spinning, but it moves in a circular motion too, so that you are far less likely to damage your paint. And I have the Zoda with a 21 millimeter throw that I often use 5.5 inch and 6 inch pads on. And I needed something to work in much smaller areas, like any of these pillars or the body lines, contours of customers' cars. So this, I was about to buy the, I think it's the G8, the Griot's G8, and they just recently came out with the G13. So you get an additional 5 millimeters of throw, and I think it's supposed to have a stronger motor than the G8. And it was a little bit more money, but I thought buy once, cry once kind of thing. So let's unbox it here. We make it, we teach it, we guarantee it. Got some basic instructions here. Get the most out of your polisher with our complete Boss system. Have fun in your garage. It's Griot's motto, I believe. Kind of cheesy, but hey. Inside the little bag, there's a 2-inch backing plate. That's really nice that they include the extra backing plate. And some instruction manual. Let's see what else we got here. There's the Big Daddy, or should we say the Little Daddy. It's the G13. Check that out. It comes with a detachable cord, so that's a pretty handy feature. I've not owned a tool with a detachable cord. Mine are always fixed. So that's handy to just take it off and uncoil it, get it out of a knot, clean it, hang this, store it. That way there's not tension on the cord all the time. And we've got, I believe this is a 10-foot cord. It might be 8. Can't remember. I have to look it up. 8 or 10-foot cord. Looks a little dirty, like somebody might have used this already. I've got a super cheap 3-inch pad kit from Amazon. Lots of variety of coarseness of the foam there. So yeah, let's throw this thing together and spin it up on one of the sport bikes. This bike should be a perfect example of when you would need a smaller orbital polisher, because if you can clearly see here, look at all these little tiny nooks and crannies and things. And this is a 3-inch pad. I've not even swapped to the 2-inch pad, so you could really get intricate with this. This is going to be perfect. And you can imagine all the use cases on any customer's vehicle or your own vehicle when it's got those many contoured lines on the body and the large pads. You cannot fold them and can't get them in there. This is going to be perfect. Let me zoom in here a little bit if we can get it to focus. There's a wheel. There we go. There's a wheel that you can observe from both sides. So that's nice, and it goes steps 1 through 6. It's not infinite. There really is 1 through 6. I don't feel any half steps or anything like that. It's got a trigger, a lock, so that you can turn it on and set it. Let's set it all the way down. I'll show you. Slow startup trigger instead of like the Porter cable that you click on top, and it's already just immediately full power. This is slow start. It's actually graduated. You can control the throttle with the trigger. And then there's a lock here. I'll turn it on and lock it so you can see. Hands free. Bump the trigger again to release the lock. Pretty cool. It's got these little stand ear type things so you can set it down when you're done. It lays flat on the ground like this, keeps your pad off the dirt. Yeah, I like it. All right, let's use it on the sport bike. I've got a 3-inch orange foam pad from Amazon, just some off-brand. It's medium coarseness. And I'm using 3D1 cutting, compound, and finishing polish. This is diminishing abrasive, so as you work it in, the cut gets less and less and it becomes a finishing polish. It's a really neat product. I'll probably do a video on this soon. So just like you would for anything else, kind of dab it in an area here. I've picked a very, very small area to demonstrate here. I got way too much product on there. So we're going to go all the way down on one, and you'll work it in and then speed up to your desired speed and make a couple passes and let the 3D1 kind of work in and let those diminishing abrasives do their thing. And really we're showing off the capability of the G13 today. So when I turn this on, you probably won't be able to hear me, but you can see here, I'll speed it up for you. Look at that. The Gixxer 750 has no clear on that panel. I've got some blue coming off on the pad. Grab a rag company rag. It's got a tighter pile on one side and a nice finishing pile on the other. I'll put a link to this in the description for you. These are the nicest microfibers you'll ever touch. I absolutely love them for this purpose. Use the tight pile to remove what you just did, and then switch to the big plush pile to give it that final wipe and shine. Oh yeah. I love that 3D1 stuff too. Got to make a video of it soon. Let me get you some close-ups. Great success. Very nice. You can really see it on that kind of gray black, piano black type finish right there. Check out that blue. And I really could have swapped to the 2-inch pad for like this area. That would have been nice. I'll probably do that here in a little while, but I just wanted to give you a quick overview of this awesome new tool. Here you can see what I was talking about. It lays on those feet, those little ears right there. It's pretty stable like that. Keeps your pad out of the dirt. It's going to show you this quick release cord function. There's a little button right here. Squeeze that guy. Pops right out. You can store this separately. Pretty neat little feature. Just something else to make it convenient for you. That's it for today's video. Please hit that like and subscribe button. You know, all that YouTube stuff that everybody asks for. It really helps us out. I'm going to go ahead and go back and finish polishing the whole sport bike. Have a good one.